Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you guys how to do an ombre. Now, disclaimer, this is my first time using this acrylic. This is the Saviland acrylic. I like it. It was very pigmented, but it just, for some reason, if y'all can see that right there, it kind of reacted weird to my monomer. Now, in all fairness, it could be because of the type of monomer I'm using. If you watch my channel, you know that I only use odorless monomer, which is a little bit oilier of a consistency, so maybe that's why. I'm not sure. But anyways, I place the bead at the end and I just work it down and then I let it dry. And then I come with my bead in the middle with my second color. When I'm doing ombre, I kind of keep the beads a little bit wetter so that way they can blend a little bit better. But I just kind of pat it in place where I want the darkest color to go. And then I just lightly smooth out the rest. So fill in any gaps, like right here, you can see that it was a little bit thin. So I just place a little bead there. And then I work my way to the end and just kind of keep blending and patting. Now, by no means, guys, is my method perfect, but this is what works for me. So I come in with my last bead, which is a nude. You can see that this bead ended up actually being a little too dry, but I went ahead and pat it in place anyways. And then once it dried, I came over it with another bead that was right. So I just kind of place it right at that line where they meet, and then I kind of tap it into place. And then once I get the main part of the color like settled, then I lightly swipe my brush over the ends to blend it or fade it from the nude to the purple color. So really light strokes whenever you get to that portion. After I lightly swipe it and blend it, I dip my brush in my monomer and I go over the entire nail. And to me, that just, I don't know, guys, maybe it's mental, but to me, it just makes it look a little bit more blended. So once I see that, you know, like I kind of look at my nail from all angles and I saw that it needed a little bit more nude at the top of my nail. So I add a little bit more nude. I worked it down. And then just make sure you're checking all your angles because you don't want to have like a random spot that's not blended thoroughly. So just kind of do that. Once it's done and dry, you come in and I encapsulate mine with a clear bead. I try to keep my clear beads super wet because I've noticed it keeps it's just way more clear. I used to get cloudy coverage, and I think it's because my beads were just too dry with the clear. So now when I do the clear, I make sure that they're pretty wet, and then just work it down the nail. Use that to build up your apex and give the nail some structure. So off camera, I filed, shaped, and buffed the nail, came in with a top coat and cured it, and this is my final results. So let me know what you guys think of this, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.